Content, bro. Content, baby.
Hey, spill some.
Super channel.
Spill some on the paint.
No.
But you want content, right?
No, not that kind of content.
Oh.
You'll get more views if the paint comes off.
Man, you got a fucking ass. What is going on, Zuba channel? Today is dyno day for this thing. We are confirmed to the tuner. Just waiting to hear back from Machines Gone Wild, the dyno facility. Hopefully they could schedule us in, or hopefully they're open because today's President's Day. I'm pretty sure they are. They just kind of late. They start late to their day, so hopefully they could put us in there and get this thing dyno, guys. Because I'm just want to drive it and want to make sure it's 100%. Just good to you know, just good to roll, guys, on the tuner side and on just everything else, man. Remember, you got a new turbo in there. Transmission's been rebuilt twice now. And one of them was even just cruising around. I wasn't even pushing it, so it hasn't been like a power issue. It's just been just stupid issue, but that's a whole nother subject. If you want to look into that, that's the previous video on the GS. I'm not gonna bore you guys. So reason we're here is, sorry for the birds, early in the morning, they're doing their thing. I'm gonna give it a quick wash just to be ready, because I don't want to wait last minute and I want to have this thing washed. It hasn't been washed in months. Getting some E85, 10 gallons of the stuff, so we switched over to the other map. We're good to go. We are on the way to the dyno. Got some E85 riding with us. Finally, been waiting for this time forever. I'm gonna make it short and simple. My goal is 850. I'll be happy with it. 850. If it does more than that, I'll be ecstatic. So yeah, let's just cruise onto the dyno and let's I'm not even praying, I'm expecting the best, man. This car has been nothing but a mission, so I'm hoping it all pays off now, man. That's the honest truth. All right, catch you guys when I get over there. Let's go.
All right, so gotta drain the fuel.
Were you turning on the car or you just let it
93, so we can add E85. But I'm recording.
Push forward.
Oh, damn, you gotta press your shit while you do this?
Come on, bro, squeeze the corn.
VVTI is more aggressive?
Makes a lot more torque, and torque is what's going to bend the rods. Yes.
I'm killing you.
How much torque?
All right, fine then. Fuck it, yo. Just fucking turn it to 40 then, yo.
Send that.
I want 700 torque.
All right, here's it.
Let's fucking send it.
That's nuts.
How much more torque was that, Matthew? How much more torque was that?
660. Right there.
Huh? That's
right there.
Wait, that's about limit for these rods? Yeah.
560 is what I really want to go with. I mean, it's up to him. If he says send it until it comes out, then fine.
Don't scare me, bro. What do you think?
Number 6 went one time.
You see it's a little...
Or like granted, the limit really, like pressing up against the limit is like a hit or miss. Like 750, 800 torque is like, but like generally like high 6 is where you want to leave it. It will live a long time.
What is it at? 660?
Yeah. All right, I'll figure out something. Make one more glory pull and we're done.
Glory. There we have it. Those are the final numbers. 852, 768 torque. Guys, we didn't want to push it any more than that. Stock block. Turbo's pretty aggressive, so it comes on pretty hard. We didn't want to go too crazy on the stock rods. We don't want to leave out of here with an oopsie. So we feel comfortable there. 850 was the goal, so I'm happy. You know, that's what I wanted. So yeah, guys. We have a 800 horsepower 850, 850 horsepower GS300. That's it. Can't ask for anything else. Super happy, you know. Thank you everybody that's been part of the GS build over the years, because it's been like at least 2 years now. From Fab guys to Ilanboyzwiring, Lantis tuning, just, you know, everything. So guys, remember, like the video. Hope you enjoy the content on the GS. Like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later. Peace.